Hi students, before fourth exercise completed, now exercise 5. Use suitable identities the following products. First one x plus 5 into x plus 2. See here answer. First one x plus 5 into x plus 2. This binomial product. But use suitable identities. Means we know that one of the formula. See answer. First write x plus 5 into x plus 2. Means one of the identity x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So this is one of the formula. So like this identity x square means x plus x square plus a plus b. A means 5, b means 2. 5 plus 2 into x plus ab means 5 into 2. Here x square plus 5 plus 2 7. 7 into x 7x plus 5 to 10. So this is answer. Next second one x minus 5 into x minus 5. So both are same. Means a into a we write a square. Like x minus 5 into x minus 5 we write x minus 5 whole square. So we know that a minus b whole square form. So x minus y whole square equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. This is one of the identity. Here x square means x square minus 2 into x means x, y means 5 plus y square means 5 square. Next x square minus 2 5's 10 into x 10x plus 5 5's 25. Next. So this is 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2. Third question. So this one a plus b into a minus b form is there, like x minus y into x plus y equal to x square minus y square. This is one of the identity. In this identity x means 3x, y means 2, means 3x whole square minus 2 whole square. 3x whole square 9x square minus 4. This is third one. Next fourth one x square minus 1 by x square into x square minus 1 by x square. Two same are there, means a into a we write a square, like x square minus 1 by x square whole square 2 times is there. So here a minus b whole square form. Sorry, here 1 plus 1 minus. Here x square minus 1 by x square, not here plus. Another one x square minus 1 by x square. 1 plus 1 minus. Means identity x plus y into x minus y equal to a plus b into a minus b form. A square minus b square, like x square minus y square. 1 plus 1 minus. So this is identity. Here x means the total x square, y means 1 by x square, means x square. This total x square minus y means 1 by x square, 1 by x square, y square. I hope to understand children here. Again see here x square plus 1 by x square into x square minus 1 by x square. 1 plus 1 minus as it is there. X plus y into x minus y equal to x square minus y square. X means what? X square. Y means 1 by x square. Like x square, this total x square minus y, this total y square. Like here a square whole power m, like exponents form. a power m whole power n, a power m into n, like x square whole square what? X power 4 minus 1 by x square whole square, 1 by x power 4. Next, fifth question, 1 plus x into 1 plus x. So x plus y whole square. 2 times is there. 1 plus x into 1 plus x. We write 1 plus x whole square. What is identity? X plus y whole square. A plus b whole square form. X square plus 2xy plus y square. This is identity. Like x square means 1 square plus 2 into 1 into x plus x square. 1 square 1 plus 2 into 1 into x, 2x plus x square. So write one order, x square plus 2x plus 1. This is answer. Next, second question, evaluate the following products without actual multiplication. Without actual multiplication method, use one of the identity. See here, first one, 101 into 99. Answer 101 into 99. So 101, we write 100 plus 1. After into means nothing but bracket keep. 99, we write 100 minus 1. A plus b into a minus b form is there here. Means x plus y into x minus y equal to x square minus y square. This is identity. For this identity, x means 100, y means 1. X square, 100 square minus y means 1 square. 100 square, 1000 minus here 10,000. 100 square means 10,000 minus 1. We get 9,999. Next, second question. 999 into 999 means same number 2 times is there. How to write this one? 999 whole square we can write. So in this 1000 minus 1 whole square write. 999 whole square, 1000 minus 1 write. This one again a minus b whole square form is there. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. This is identity. This is identity. A means 1000, b means 1. A square means 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 means a means 1000, b means 1 plus b square means 1 square. Next, 1000 square, here 3 zeros, 6 zeros keep, 1 after 6 zeros minus 2 into 1000 into 1, 2000. Next, plus 1 square 1. Here observe these two positive. After we get do subtraction 2000, we get 998,000 plus 1. So after adding 998,001. So this is final answer. Next, third question. 50 and half into 49 and half means 50 and half write 50 plus half, 49 and half 50 minus half right. So 50 plus half into 49 and half means 50 minus half, we get 49 and half. Like this one, x plus y into x minus y equal to x square minus y square. This is one of the identity. So use this formula. X square, x means 50, y means 1 by 2. Means x square 50 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. 50 whole square, 50 into 50, 2500 minus 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4. So this Do product. After we get mixed fraction 2499 3 by 4. So this is answer. Next 501 into 501. Fourth one. Answer see here. So 501 into 501. We write same number 501 whole square. So in that 501 write 500 plus 1. 500 plus 1 whole square. Means x plus y whole square form is there. X square plus 2xy plus y square. This is one of the identity. So use this formula. So x means 500, y means 1. X square 500 whole square plus 2 into x means 500 into y means 1 plus y square, y means 1 square. 500 whole square means 2, here 2 zeros, keep 4 zeros, 525 plus 500 into 2, 1000 plus 1. So total add, we get 251001. This is final answer. Next fifth question. So next to fifth one, 30.5 into 29.5 means 30 and half into 29 and half like. So 30.5 into 29.5. Here write 30.5, we write 30 plus 0.5 into next to 29.5, 30 minus 0.5. So again a plus b into a minus b form. Right here x plus y into x minus y equal to x square minus y square. So otherwise a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square form. So this is formula. X means 30, y means 0.5. 30 whole square minus 0.5 whole square. 30 whole square, 30 into 30, 900 minus 0.5 into 0.5, 0.25. Do subtraction, we get 899.75.